Here's our NAE project, vehicle-specific lanes. This is Alexander Terhar's concept. Definition of vehicle-specific lanes, traffic lanes that are designed specifically for one type of vehicle. They're similar to bike lanes, but based on a larger scale and more advanced. Here we have a couple examples, the car lanes, the HOV, the emergency, the commercial, and bike lanes. Here's an older version of the signs, but with our newer design, we have the car, bike, and commercial signs per lane. And then we're also going to have sensors that scan the vehicles, but we'll get into that a little bit later. Here we have a 3D model of our scanner. We have the secured rim, the outer shell, and then we also have the vehicle sensor scanner all into this little half dome to make an overall appearance look finished and not cluttered. Here's a visual representation. Now it's all cluttered, congested, and lots of accidents happen. It's really bad. But with the VSLs, we organize the traffic flow, make smooth traffic in Jakarta, and make the overall traffic a lot and much better. The background, since the problem lies within Jakarta, advanced technology is difficult to include in many major projects that will help with traffic jams due to Jakarta's current economic status. The traffic sensors that help control traffic is cost-friendly in terms of the new technology incorporated design, but it still might be a little too much for Jakarta's economic status. Details, the traffic scanners, which are placed underneath the road signs, will scan vehicles to make sure they're in the correct lane. If they are not, they will act like a toll booth and fine the vehicles, and something else that they could do is move the vehicles into the correct lane, so kind of like those toy cars where they follow that line and they're magnetic or however they work, but it's like smart lanes. Helpful features. Hopefully with the organization of traffic we will increase the speed from 5 miles per hour of traffic, which nobody likes, to 60 miles per hour, decongest traffic, to create a consistent traffic flow. The signs are labeled to which lane is for which vehicle. The scanners can scan the vehicles, determine if the vehicle is in the right lane or not, then merges it into the correct lane. So we have the congested traffic, and then on the goal is to have the uncongested traffic. Our design criteria was based on how well it would fit in Jakarta's current situations. We have, is it feasible considering Jakarta's current state? Is the design cost efficient? Is it suitable for the growing population? Effective and efficient, and will be more appealing than the current solution? And we base this off of our personal opinions of what would be better for Jakarta's developing nation. Self-evaluation. The cost is a little lower than what it should be because it is implementing new technology, so it is going to cost a little bit more. But other than that, the safety, the appearance, the effectiveness, all of that is ranks really well among the others, just because of like how little needs to be done and how much it will do. So thank you so much.